You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing names that too many people mispronounce, including of Indian origin in particular, but Irish and more. Saniya is how it's generally said in English-speaking countries, especially in the US, Saniya, but there are other countries, especially in India, I think, where it's said more as Saniya or Saniya. Saniya or Saniya, I think, is the most common. Saniya, or in English-speaking countries again, Saniya. Okay, so there are different pronunciations. How do you pronounce it? Do you know any Saniya or Saniya? Let us know in the comments. Let everybody knows how you like it's pronounced. And more videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.